guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just hopping on because it is my favorite delivery day of the season, and that is my FabFitFun delivery day. I love getting these boxes. They are full of so many great products, and I really just wanted to do an unboxing video to show you guys what I got this season. So before I go into the contents of this box, I just wanted to say that FabFitFun is probably my favorite subscription box service. Items that come in these boxes range from beauty products to clothing and accessories, to just everyday lifestyle products. I've received really cute bowls from Pier 1 Imports in there before. I've received, I've just received so much from these boxes that I'm surprised every time, and I think the value is great. These boxes seasonally are $50 each season, and there are often coupons so that you can get down to $30 or $40, but the boxes contain sometimes up to $400 worth of products, so I think that is so worth it in my opinion, especially if you like trying different products but you don't want to go out and search for those products. And this is kind of like they deliver them to your door. Each box you can customize a couple items in the box depending on your membership. So like for me, I have the seasonal membership, so I just pay each season and I am able to customize like 3 or 4 products in the box. But sometimes I still click to surprise me because all the products are good, and to be honest, like I don't mind which product I get, so I don't like to choose. But in any case, you can customize some of it, which I think is a really great thing, especially if you, prefer beauty products over fashion products and so on and so forth. So the first thing that you will notice when you open these boxes is that you get this little catalog, and in the catalog it has different stories, different ways to use the products that you receive in the boxes, as well as a list of any and all the products that you can receive in these boxes. So it's important to realize that not every box is going to have the same products in it. It all depends on your membership as well as what you choose to customize your box with. So when you see this list of products in these catalogs, realize that you're not going to get everything on this list. You may just get some of it. In addition, the box comes with a couple of different coupons. So this one is for Bite, which is it looks like a teeth aligning company. I've never heard of this, but it says that you can get an at-home impression kit for $25 and an aligner treatment for $200 off, so that's really cool. And then you always get a HelloFresh coupon. This one is for 10 free meals, including free shipping, which is amazing. But these are usually for first-time subscribers. I've been a subscriber of HelloFresh for quite some time now, so this won't apply to me, but still it's really great that you can give to a friend or something like that. So this is all the products inside the box. As you can see, it's a lot, and I really like how they have it all set up here, so this is cool. So the first item I picked up are these silicone straws from Chic and Tonic. It looks like it is a 4-pack, and it comes with a brush cleaner as well. This is worth $15 according to the catalog, so that is super cool, especially if you're only paying $50 for the whole box and the first item's worth $15. So here they are. They're silicone, they're bright, and they're really cute, honestly. And it's got the brush cleaner in there. What is this? Oh, cute, and it even comes with a plastic case that you can put the straws in, so that's neat. Next is the Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. I've never heard of this brand, but I love trying out different masks. According to the catalog, this is worth $45, so in just 2 products, you made your investment back, so that's awesome. So I just opened it up, and it comes with, looks like 2 different types of masks, but there's like a couple different uses in here. So here is the Ready Glow Exfoliating Mask at the bottom here, and then up top you got the Purifying Mud Mask. And then it also comes with a brush here, so this looks like it will be good for a couple different uses, which is really awesome. Next we have the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. I mean, I'm kind of young, so I guess it's never too early to start. I don't really know. But this is worth $68. It says it is a wrinkle and anti-aging light device. I'm really excited to try this out. Granted, I don't have any wrinkles yet, but I'm still going to try it because why not? It says combat wrinkles, our lights tackle fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. So that'll probably work for my uneven skin tone. So I'll try this out and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of it. Like I said, this is worth $68. So this is more than the whole box cost altogether already. Next is the Eau Thermalavine Thermal Spring Water. If that will focus there. White bottle, so it's hard to focus. But it says that this will, you can spritz your face with this hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften your skin. This is worth $14. I love a good face mist, so I will try this out. I've never heard of this brand, but every brand that I've discovered in these boxes, I've ended up really liking. So I'm really excited to try this, and I will let you know how this works out. Then we have the AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. I love the hair products that come in these boxes. I almost used just about the entire bottle of everything that I've received in here. I've received a dry bar detangling spray. I've received I think it was Avita, a repair treatment for your hair. They have just so many great hair care products that come in these boxes that I love. This one in particular is worth $24. Again, I've never heard of this brand, but I'm sure it's a great brand and I'm excited to try this out. Next, we have the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. You can see that there. It is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So I'm guessing this is a lotion. Massage nightly in the hands and body and breathe in deeply. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. I like a good nighttime lotion. So this is really interesting. Again, never heard of this brand, but I'm sure I will love it. I am in need of a new lotion for my bedside, and it says that this one is a super blend of shea butter, creme, and not even gonna try to pronounce that. Whatever, with pure essential oils of lavender, something else I can't pronounce, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. So I am always all for anything that will improve my sleep, so I will let you know if this does just that. Next, we have the Habanera, Marianella, Rosewood, and Litsi Cubeba body oil with mangango and pomegranate oil. That was a mouthful. But anyway, so this is a body oil. It says that this is worth $68. That is insane to me. I guess this works miracles. I guess we'll find out. But anyway, so it says our Rosewood and Litsi Cubeba body oil is a cold pressed infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. It will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intended, with no harsh chemicals or additives, leaving you with a beautiful and healthy youthful glow. So love that. My skin I have very dry skin, so I love these different products that will help nourish and hydrate my skin. So I'm excited to try this out, and if it's worth $68, I guess it's good. So the last product in the box I knew I was getting because it was one of the ones that I chose to customize, and I have an upcoming trip planned, so I figured now as good a time as ever that this just happened to be part of the FabFitFun box, and it is these packing cubes. I got it in the shade Sorbet, but it is a 3-pack here, so I've got this big one, and then I've got, let's see, and I've got this medium-sized one, which is still pretty big, and inside that, it's like those little dolls. I have one inside another, and then finally, the smallest one. I can definitely see myself using all 3 of these for my upcoming trip. Definitely for maybe hair care and accessories in one, maybe t-shirts in another, and other clothing in another. I don't really know yet. But I'm sure I will find a great place for these in my suitcase. And this pack is worth $40. It was between this shade, which is called Sorbet, or there was like a fruit print, which was cute too. But in any case, I think this is a really good deal. Like I said, you never really know what these boxes will have to offer. So this one, I guess this is my lifestyle product for this box, but in any case, I'm so super pleased with all the products that came in the box this season. I know I will love them all, and I can't wait to try them all. Any of the products that I showed that you want to know what I think of them, please let me know, because I'd be more than happy to try them out and post updates of how I think they work, especially if you're looking to maybe sign up for the box yourself. There are always different promo codes for signing up for these boxes that will help you get some money off. So I don't know the current one off the top of my head, but I will leave the promo code that is currently running in the description below, so that if you go to sign up for a box subscription yourself, you can use that promo and get at least $10 off. If there are any other subscription box services that you would like to know what I think of them, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to look into trying them out. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified of whenever I post, and make sure you check me out on social media at BrieCutter and my blog at unbreakablebliss.com. And until next time, see you guys!